Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. It's Mrs. Stein here, and I'm thrilled to give you our final report on our Penny Wars. Boy, Miss DeWong, myself, Miss Foreman, and our PTA could not be more thrilled with how well you've all done. It is just an example of our community and how we care so deeply about each other and what each of us individually can bring and what we can do as one large group. Boys and girls, it is astounding. Our final total, I believe we have noted up here, was $3,332. That's $3,332 that all of you raised. Give yourselves a round of applause. Whew, that's incredible. And we decided, because this was such an overwhelming success, that we were going to do a few things for our rewards. One, we are going to reward the top 3 classes with the pizza party. Not just the top class, the top 3 classes. You heard that right. You ready for our top 3 classes? It is, drumroll please, Miss Martin's class, number 1. Way to go with $323.67. Number 2, drum roll please, Miss Llewellyn's 5th grade class with $301.39. And our 3rd class and our 3rd pizza party is, drum roll please, Miss Calaraquil's class with $296.54. Boys and girls, since all 3 of these classes were so close and did such a good job, we are rewarding all of them with a pizza party. You might be thinking, but what about me? My class did a lot as well. Well, we decided we are going to reward everybody in our school, and on Friday, February 25th, we are going to have a fun time at lunch and do some popsicle parties and reward every single child in our school for your participation in this fundraiser. We all came together. We all did the work to make one incredible amount of money that will benefit you and events from the PTA. And so we're all going to have a little bit of fun. I hope that you're as excited as I am. Have a fabulous Thursday.